Nestled in the trees above Nevada City up Highway 20 is Scotts Flat Trail. You'll find Scotts Flat Trail parking at Harmony Market and along the highway. You can get your food, your drinks, and provisions here at Harmony, but it's the main stop. Right across the street is Old Republic Roadhouse, where you can also have some food and some drink after your ride. To find the trail, you can go to Trail Forks. And within the Harmony Washington Ridge group of trail systems, you'll find Hoot Trail and Scotts Flat Trail and a host of other trails that are intermediate to beginner level. You can access Scotts Flat Trail by starting at Old Republic Roadhouse and going up Highway 20, and there will be a trail that leads you to the Scotts Flat Trailhead. The trail is 3 miles long with about 532 foot of downhill and goes from Highway 20 all the way down to Scotts Flat Lake. The bicyclists of Nevada County actually maintain and care for this trail. The group of membership asks for your help and support to keep this network of trails up on Harmony Ridge open. The designer of Hoot Trail has come forward and is now working on the Scotts Flat Trail for this rebuild. His name is Orion, and he puts in a lot of hours, time, and effort to keep this trail open for our enjoyment. So he deserves props for all that he does. But he's also quick to give credit to the members of Bicyclists of Nevada County for the hours that they put in and the time, effort, blood, sweat, and tears to keep this trail system in good condition and up and running. A lot of time gets put in by a lot of different folks, and a lot of machinery is used, and several hours went into this rebuild of Scotts Flat Trail. My wife and I rode up the trail to see what was new. We passed several workers on the way, greeted them, and thanked them for their work. We wanted to give an uphill perspective on all the work that was done because it's a little bit slower and you get a good idea of what was going on. All right, so here on Scotts Flat, this is towards the bottom, working our way up. The trail has been rerouted in several spots. This is a new cut down here. The trail used to come from here, through here, straight through, and it'll still be an optional line, but look what they've done. Big berm turn into the side of the hill. Spit you back out to a whole new section. The berming section's up a little bit more. This is where we're actually getting into some of the major work that was done. I better berm over here. Another area. Dirt's not smoothed out yet, but it'll get there. Another reroute right here. Wow. Major. A lot of work's been done. Wow. Good stuff. Look at this. Alright, so another new section here. This is where, right here, we fixed the bike. New berm. These are tall. New jumps. Wow, a lot of new jumps. So you can go the old alternate line.
Yeah, but why? Not even clean.
Yeah. So there's a lip here for a transitional jump right off of this into this newly made berm. Another newly made berm. That's gonna be fun on the way down. More fun. Look at that. Pump it or jump it. Another berm. Ugh, can't climb. Fresh cuts. More doubles. Wow. You could get wild on this trail if you wanted to. More jumps. All right, this is another little section, little rest area if you want to rest.
Thumbs up on the new rest area. Awesome. Especially if you're going uphill.
And it also has a view of the lake. And then you can actually watch people coming down through here. Hey guys. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Thanks for doing this.
Oh, no problem. Making it great again.
Yeah.
It's really fun.
Yeah.
On the way up.
Yeah, on the way up.
Hi. How's it going?
Pretty good.
Good.
Most of the trail workers are now below you.
Okay. Thank you. Hi. Thanks for doing this.
No problem.
Another one. Look at how clean this place is now. A little rough, but a little more smoothing. It'll be good. Maybe halfway up right now. New berm again. Another double into it. That's a roller for me. No way I make that. They've made the stump jump a little bit more user friendly. All right, this will jump out of the berm transition. A lot nicer. It used to be alternate routes. Oh, and the rock has more features on it to roll over. So you see the backside here. Gotta hit that on the way out. Wow, this at the top was never even close to being like this. Hundreds and hundreds of man hours and probably about 120 hours of tractors and mechanical equipment. Another double out of the berm. These changes are massive.